The ransomware encryption module detects processes that are trying to encrypt files. So this module allows us to go into forensic details about any process that is being detected. And into the forensic details, we can see a process tree of anything that this detected process went through. So we can see it started from Explorer, which means the user opened this one, it opened this executable file, which used this command line to open this one, and so on, to use PowerShell with execution policy bypass to go through cone host and so on. So we can see it had 2 write operations and 137 read operations that can help us in lots of cases. If it's related to any IP address, we can see down here. This one is not. Processes detected by the ransomware encryption protection module can be either actually malicious, trying to do harm to your endpoint, or they can be legit processes of real legit software that are doing write operations and read operations, and they are encrypted files. Because a normal software that you're using day by day might encrypt its own data to prevent it from being stolen or to prevent it from being tampered with. So that's where the MXDR team comes in. We look over the detection and see exactly if the process that has been detected, it's an actual normal process that encrypted its own files to prevent others from harming them, or it's an actual attack, it's an actual threat that it's trying to encrypt all of the other files besides its own.